Who's calling me at 5 in the morning?
Lily, it's Black Friday. You gotta hurry before everything's gone.
It's starting already? Oh no, I'm coming! What? All my clothes is dirty! Oh, I guess I'll wear this bathrobe. Oh, this is so embarrassing. Huh? Where are my shoes? I only have these white slippers? I can't believe this.
Oh, here she comes. Time to scare her.
Max, what are you doing here?
I tricked you. The store's not even open yet.
It's 5 in the morning. You woke me up for this?
Yeah, it was so good. Lily.
Max, I got you something from Black Friday. Come to the TV room. Time to prank Max.
You got me something? All right, I'm coming. Whoa! Surprise inside? I wonder what it is. Why is it so heavy?
I'm gonna get him so good.
I'm just gonna open it. This should do the trick. Oh, I wonder what's inside.
Boom!
Wow, what the? Lily, what are you doing in there?
You should have seen your face.
That's not funny, Lily. Where's the surprise?
Don't worry, it's in my room. Let's go.
All right, let's go.
Look at these deals.
These signs are all fake. They're just to get you to buy things.
Yeah, but if I buy 3, I get a gift.
Just trust me, Lily.
What? Buy 10, get 5 free.
Lily, it's a trick.
No, Max.
Oh,
These 10 should be good.
you're getting 10 more? Oh, Lily, you're too gullible.
Fine. I'll just get these then.
Did you find everything you were looking for?
Yeah, I found 13 dresses.
Excellent! 13 items, that means you get 6 free gifts.
I told you, Max. I wonder what it's gonna be.
I don't know.
You get 6 free bags.
Bags? I told you it was gonna be bad.
Oh, man.
Thank you, have a nice day.
Do you think I should get these, Lily?
I don't know.
Can I help you? Were you thinking of buying these?
Yeah, they're a little expensive though. $200, right?
Yeah, but that's actually the last one.
Oh, really? Okay.
Max, it's too expensive. You should think about it more.
Oh, you're right.
But wait, those headphones are sold out everywhere.
Sold out everywhere? Okay, then I have to buy it. Here you go. Oh, thanks.
Yeah, no problem. Have a nice day. So easy to trick people.
Hey, huh? I thought you said there was only one more.
Yeah, a new shipment just came in.
Oh, I want my money back.
Oh, man.
All right, I'm done, Fred.
All right, me too.
All right, let's go.
Whoa, you have a lot of stuff. Are you interested in our extended warranty?
Extended warranties? No thanks.
This clock is really fragile. I highly recommend getting the warranty.
Oh, really? Okay.
Awesome! Would you like to get it for the calculator too? I'd recommend it.
Oh, yeah, sure.
I'll just put a warranty on everything, okay?
Oh, okay.
Alright, your total is $245.
What? Why is it so expensive?
Oh, it's because the warranty has a 200% tax, but it's still a good deal.
200%? Here you go.
Thanks. Here's your stuff.
Oh.
Hi. Would you like to get the extended warranties today?
No thank you, no thank you.
Alright, are you sure?
Yeah, no thank you. It's too expensive. Lily, why do you always buy so much stuff on Black Friday?
Everything was so cheap though.
Yeah, but I always have to help you.
Come on, please.
Okay.
Yes. Come on.
Lily, this thing's like 100 pounds.
You're strong. Stop complaining. Come on. Max, hurry up.
Oh man, why is she so bossy? I'm gonna prank her. Slipping.
Max, my printer.
I think it's okay though.
Are you serious? It's broken for sure. Now I'm gonna go to the store to get a new one. Move.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Excuse me.
Huh?
Do you guys still have those printers on sale?
Printers? I'm sorry, I think we're all out.
Sold out. Oh man.
I'm really sorry.
Oh hey.
Wait, what? The printer still works?
Oh, I should have called you. Sorry about that.
Are you serious, Max? I drove 3 hours to the store.
At least the printer still works.
They're so funny.
What? Did you go Black Friday shopping without me?
Oh yeah, I went this morning. I totally forgot we're supposed to go together.
Oh man, I feel so betrayed.
Oh, I'm sorry, but I have to take this call. Oh hey George, you're at the front door? Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming right now.
I'm gonna prank Lily by giving her a fake broken screen. Oh, this one's perfect. Now to save it as a computer background. Oh, Lily's gonna freak out.
Hey, what are you doing with my laptop?
Lily, don't be mad, but I think I broke it.
Oh no, what did you do? My new laptop! What? Why are you laughing?
It's just a prank, Lily. I only changed the background.
You scared me!
Yeah, because you went shopping without me. Now that's what you get.
Hi everyone! Did you guys like our Black Friday prank video? Leave a comment down below.
Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.